there any more? I don't think there are any more screws, are there?
Huh?
There are no more
Oh,
screws.
so the bottom?
Yeah.
No, but you'll need to like pry it open with like a pick or something.
Mm-hmm.
Like a car or something like that.
Mm.
That's the blower fan.
Okay, so this is the original fan, right?
Yeah. And you'll need to open the top as well. And the way to do that is there's 2 screws at the
Hold
back.
on, there are 2 screws here. Three screws here.
You'll need to open the top as well.
This one.
No.
No,
So
the top, this side. This
yeah,
one.
that one. Yeah. And there's 2 screws at the back.
These are the
allow
ones.
you to take it off.
These are 2 different screws. This one and 2.
Now you need to stick something in there to pop it up because you can't disconnect it by hand. It's a bit hard.
Mm-hmm.
I don't recommend that. You're going to need to be careful about taking it out because there's antennas attached to the top. Yeah, it's kind of off. So just slowly take it off. Yeah, slowly. There's wires on top.
This one, yeah. Okay, so the whole mechanism will come out. That's what you are saying. Because this one seems to be the processor.
No, that's the RAM.
Okay.
The idea is you put a bracket.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the back panel, right?
Okay.
And then on the other side.
So I need to take the whole thing out.
No.
Okay.
You just okay.
Shit.
Okay, no, you're fine. This comes off easily.
Yeah, okay.
Hopefully that didn't come off. Okay, it didn't come off.
This is the switch here.
So you can turn it around and you got to take off the blower fan.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
You got to do that slowly as well because of these wires.
Yeah. But you needed to take the other one off.
Which one?
No.
Oh, so
this
it's
one.
Small enough. No, you do because of the brackets. This will need to go on the other side.
Okay.
Is that too small?
Too big.
Too big. You can pause the video.
These are 3 screws, yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Maybe 4. Just the wires, the whole. Is there any more screws?
This tape.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. So that is
So this is the basically
the heat sink.
no. This one is the what you call
The
it?
processor.
The processor, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Which means okay. So how the new will fit? Okay, this is the one.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a standard.
Okay,
connector.
is it the standard one?
Yes. That will work.
Okay, so remove
Let's
this
see.
one.
Nice.
Okay, so basically this one will be removed.
Yes, you will need to remove that as well.
How many screws are there? It's 1 and 2, right?
3. What is that?
No,
Oh. Oh wait. No,
No.
that's not one.
that's not.
I think 2. Yeah. I think.
Did I remove any screw from here? No.
No.
So these two. Okay. This is also a heat sink.
Very weak one though, compared to this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't want to damage that screw.
No.
Go smaller. The smallest?
Which one is?
I think so. No, we're gonna need a small one. No. One.
Okay. So
You're gonna need. They are screws as well. The
Mhm.
pins, they are screws themselves. If you turn it around.
oh,
No, that one doesn't need to come off. Turn it around. These are screws. So just.
no, it's already up. It's already unscrewed.
Oh,
It's detached.
okay.
So
So whatever's on this side, maybe is there.
basically, so I think that this is glued, either glued.
Possibly.
Isn't it?
I think we should be able to take it off slowly. But it shouldn't be forced.
Mm,
Oh, okay. Here.
yeah, this is a heat sink basically.
Yeah, it's stuck with the thermal paste on the
Mm.
processor.
No, glue.
No, you don't want to stick metal on top of metal.
Mm-hmm.
Careful. Mm. There might be something else though.
Check if there's a screw over here.
Is that screwed towards anything?
No, this is a corner screw over
Yeah.
here.
It is.
I don't think it is anything except the glue.
And the thermal paste.
Mm.
Be careful.
Yeah, I don't want to damage
You're bending the fins already. Fins are quite sensitive.
I know.
No, I don't want to pour it open. There might be something else. No, that says to me there might be another screw.
And it should be
Yeah, hidden screw in there.
Mm.
That will void the warranty, but hey. No, just feel it with your hand. The last thing you want to do is with this. Or you can just feel
It will have to come off, you know.
No, just feel it with the screwdriver.
Yeah.
So it's over here.
Mm.
Somewhere here. No, did you get a grip?
No, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
There we go.
Oh,
Alright.
okay. So now is the cleaning, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a silver. Which thermal paste came with that one?
It's the one that came with the cooler
You see
actually.
here somewhere.
It's use where's the alcohol? Yeah. No, leave it. It's fine. No, stop. You don't want to do that in the process.
Clear this first. Okay.
So we're gonna need to figure out which way it goes.
It should. No, look. This is. Okay, and this is how this one. So there is a connector. Connector is here. Yeah.
Wait. So
Hold on.
does it fit?
Yeah, it does fit.
And how's the contact on it? Is it on it? Yeah. What we need to figure out is if, because it's lined up like that, in reality it should be like this.
Uh-huh.
But
Hold
it
on.
looks
Hold on.
like there's a bit of.
This one.
Is it? isn't making contact with the whole thing.
It does.
That's what we need to find out. So if we...
It does. It whole thing, because you see, hold up, let me see. You see, when you hold this like this is the big piece. Okay. It will go right on the top.
No, because it's just about this whole thing needs to be covered.
Yeah. You see. Are you seeing?
Yeah, but I'm saying the heat will spread, and it's supposed to spread in the way that it's lined up. So, is there any tolerances to do it that way?
Yeah. We need to align the screw spaces, okay? Once the screw spaces are aligned, that means that is aligned already. And this is not aligned. So we have to turn it around.
Looks like that's the only way.
Turn it around, and does it align with these two spaces? Where is the other one? It does align, Ibrahim, like this. It aligns. Okay, where is that one? Yeah, show me that.
Here's the instructions. So this is the instructions for
Yeah.
this 11.5x. You don't need to worry about anything else.
Okay. So this is on the back.
That's what you're going to need to figure out.
Okay.
So there's those pieces and this pieces.
This is how it will go.
This needs to go
like this.
on these ones, yeah.
Okay.
I think.
And this one goes like this.
What we need to figure out is how does this align with this?
So it is in the back, right?
This is in the back for sure. So
Be sure.
You're going to need to, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is at the back. So. Oh, so does it need to go?
That's what I was thinking.
No, they don't align. No. Yeah, they don't align. Oh wait, 11.5x. So this is the socket that. Oh, we have to unscrew this, and then we can screw. Oh,
no,
okay.
you can't unscrew this one.
No, you can. So
we should not.
No, it says look.
Okay.
And then that's the only way this bracket is going to go on it, basically.
Okay.
The thing that I'm worried about is that this CPU is too thin, so it might not even make contact.
It will. It is made.
So we're actually going to need to take off this rubber.
Which rubber?
So you see this rubber?
Yeah. Hold on. Not yet.
Maybe. It should just be a normal size screw. Try the big one.
No, this fits properly. Hold it.
Yeah, there's just not enough grip. I think this should fit. Let me look at grip.
Okay, this is the one which will fit.
Yeah.
Give me that. Give me one side of the other bracket, not this one, the other bracket. This is the one.
Does it go over, under?
Under. Okay, I will take like this.
Yeah, you can just stay on. Oh, you need to line up.
Leave it.
Finicky, brother. Is it him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are pretty tight, isn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be really tight. It just needs to
No,
fit.
because it was when I opened it,
Yeah.
it was pretty tight.
No, as in that's just a factory,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
but yeah, it just needs to fit. That's all. Don't need to damage the screw level.
This one.
Where's it?
Here.
Oh, no, it's not in there. Yeah, do that. Okay, before you fit the last screw in, try putting it on the hole.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, try putting it on the thing. Hopefully we got the right bracket.
So
I'll put the plastic on
we
top.
thought it should be like this, is it?
I think
No,
I
it's
think
plastic is not.
no, it's fine. It just needs to not make metal contact. Is it on?
Perfectly in.
Alright, so what we need to
Alright.
test is contact. Yeah. It's going to be slightly bigger, but it's fine.
Contact is there, right?
Yeah, we'll need to check that. We can check that. So we can check contact.
Alright, so shall we apply some?
Yeah, I would apply it on this. And then
Okay, so
if it spreads, then we know there's contact.
this needs to be cut, yeah?
No. This is just the cover. Okay, that's good.
Oh.
Just a little dot, basically. That's it. Yeah. We just need to know if it's making contact. That's all.
So it was like this, wasn't it?
I think so, yes. Press it center.
Perfect.
Put it down again. Yeah. Put it in. No, it's not making contact. Okay. Yeah,
Hold
this
on.
is
Hold
what
on.
I was concerned about. Yeah,
No, it's
Okay.
okay because there will be a thick layer of this one.
no, that won't do it. I might need to buy copper plates.
Right.
Yeah, that's glued on the rubber thing. If we can find some other rubber thing,
Okay.
we can
When
do
we
it.
tighten it, this will be squeezed.
Yeah, but even we squeezed it ourselves quite hard, and it didn't make any contact.
No.
So we will need
No,
copper
no.
plates on it. Mm, mm. You have to press down quite hard, right?
Exactly. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
We can try it and then test it, basically.
Yeah.
So you can take off the plastic bit, and then just take that off.
Take this off.
Yeah, with the alcohol. Do you have like a collar so you can spread the?
Yeah. You don't really need to spread though.
For this one, you do.
Huh?
For this one, you do.
You sure?
Yeah. Or actually, not really. If you just do an accurate line.
Yeah.
If you do a line, it should be fine.
Here.
Yeah, like just leave a bit of no, in the center. Oh. Okay, it's fine. Just leave it. That's it. Okay, you're gonna need to spread it basically. No.
I know what I'm doing.
With the metal. You're doing metal to metal circuits.
Guys, come on. You see my wallet here?
Yeah. Try to get an even layer. You can plug that in later or last. Now turn it over. Leave that on there.
Where are the screws?
It needs a bolt. It needs a bolt. So,
Yeah, well,
mm,
I am so forgetful.
mm.
Check the video recording.
It's recording. What?
You won't believe how forgetful I am
With what?
with the tools.
You want me to pause?
Yeah, 1 second.
So you should just need to. No, there's this. You can use this. This is for
I have
tightening.
this.
Yeah.
How tight?
Needs to be a snug fit, and I'm hoping there's contact. There's a bit of tolerance because there's foam in between, but you don't want the metal making contact with metal. Yeah, just make it tight evenly.
Until the time it goes in easily.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You want to turn it on?
What about the last one? Did you do that one?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. Last check. That's the one. 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 Okay.
Alright. You can try it out just as it is. And then we'll see.
What is this?
Oh, that's the Wi-Fi antenna.
Oh, I'm not on Wi-Fi anyway.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, this one goes...
Just
in
connect
here.
one display, the main display,
Yeah, the
and
main
the power.
display.
Is it that way? Yeah. In the first one.
Okay.
And then power. That should be...
Power is here.
Oh, and peripherals.
Peripherals are all,
Mouse, keyboard.
yeah, they are Wi-Fi.
Oh.
So it goes like this. Okay.
Well, keep the fan side up. This is good stuff.
Is it automatic?
Yeah.
So it will speed up
Yeah.
when it is heating up. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Where is the chua?
Should I
Go on.
pause?
It's all yours.
Should I pause?
No. Try it.
Okay.
Check the temperature.
First thing.
Keep it on. Check the temperature.
So the first thing I'm gonna check is lagging. Does it usually lag this one?
It was not lagging. I mean, lately when I was already working on it,
Yeah.
it was lagging a bit. So I don't think it is anything bad. It's because of the surface. So use this one underneath the mouse.
Oh, the mouse. Oh,
Now. Press a button. Now use it.
okay, it's fine. See, is this? Oh, is the keyboard not?
Yeah, keyboard is also,
Is it not?
yeah. There is something wrong with the keyboard. Because these two things started giving me problem earlier.
Is this definitely connected?
Yeah. You see this one?
Oh. Yeah, bring that up. Oh, you can close one.
Okay. So
Sensor. Oh shit. Oh, it's not making contact. Is it making contact? No, it's not making contact. I don't think it is. Oh, we let it run for a bit.
does it have a speed setting?
In the BIOS, you can change. You can change it.
It is on 70.
Yeah.
Aggregate is 70. So there's no contact.
Possibly. We can double check that, right? Why is the...
Use mouse. What do you want to do?
So I shut it down?
Yeah.
Or should I just use...
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to check the contact on this.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just need to unscrew it and then check. We need those copper plates.
Copper plates.
Yeah, you can get copper plates.
Okay.
And then that will allow copper plates in between.
Mm-hmm.
And then that will allow contact, full contact. But the battery fits. Do you have any sheets of copper or anything like that?
No, I don't think so. we can find the proper shape.
Okay. The fan is attached. Okay. Yeah, look, no contact. Alright. At least we know it's no contact.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, that's right.
So, should I pause?
Uh,
Should I pause?
yeah,